Alright, so this is my Tyrannosaurus Rex finished print, all three parts on my Creality CR-10. This is a 3D printed parts here, and as you can see, it came out really nice. Have some support material down there. I printed it with a raft. Really, really nice. Look at those teeth. I printed it at this size for now. I could do it bigger. As you can see, that big. So each part can be printed separate. It'd probably take up a pretty big chunk of that roll, or maybe more. Probably 3 rolls. But that's amazing. Came out really nice. Maybe taking it off, and stay tuned for the next video. I'll show you what it looks like put together. Enjoy.